In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to change the date and time on your iPhone, whether you want to move it forward, backward, or set it to a specific moment. First, launch your settings. Now head over to the option General, navigate to the option Date and Time. Now here you're going to find this toggle for set automatically, disable for that option. Now you will be able to choose a custom date and time. For example, you can jump ahead to future date like January or even change the year entirely. You can also adjust the time to any hour you want, though occasionally jumping too far ahead or behind may cause the settings app to glitch and close, so small adjustments tend to work smoothly. Additionally, you can update the time zone by searching for a different location. Just remember that manually changing your iPhone's date and time can affect apps, games, and system functions that rely on accurate time settings. If you ever want to return to the correct local time, simply toggle set automatically back on. And after a moment, your iPhone will update itself. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.